Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy. I have not done a video in a while, and I thought I would come on here and just talk a little bit, tell you what's been going on with my life, and share a few things with you since I haven't been on here in a while. So if you notice in the background, I'm in a motel or a hotel, whichever one. I'm actually staying at the Holiday Express, I think it's called. Been staying here for a while. I think I'm supposed to check out probably tomorrow morning. Not really sure what I'm gonna do as far as tomorrow. We were supposed to move in to our new apartment, but it is still being renovated. The apartment is, I keep saying new, it's new to us. It's really an old building. Just to give you a little bit about it, it's like a really old building. It's not set up for apartments. The man that owns it is setting it up as apartments. One man lives there already and has an apartment set up, and he was setting each one up one at a time. So we were going to get the next one, and it wasn't done, and he was trying to fix it up. He thought he'd get it done in 2 weeks. It wasn't done. When I came back from Ohio, where I was staying. Now, for those of you that don't know, I have health conditions. I can't just stay anywhere. But I'd been staying in Ohio, up in like a loft area, or not a loft area, kind of like a bedroom attic area upstairs at my mother-in-law's and her sister's place, and until we could find a place to live. So we found this place. The man had said in 2 weeks we come back to Kentucky. My husband had been staying in his truck because he works in Kentucky, and on his days off, then he'd come back to Ohio where I was staying. So therefore, we thought we were going to get this place. When we did, we get everything that I had in Ohio with me, and back in the truck, come to Kentucky, start to move in late at night, but it's not done. So therefore, I can't stay in it because it's still, we can't put any of our furniture in it or anything because the floors still haven't been done. The carpet's not been taken out. There's holes in parts of the floor that need to be patched up. Old carpet needs to be ripped out, and floors need to be taken care of. The painting, there was some electrical work need to be done. Windows need to be fixed. You know, an old building, you know, it just, if you know anything about old buildings, you just have to redo everything just about. It's not as bad as some, but because some of it had been done. He'd done the plumbing already. So it wasn't a whole lot, but there was still quite a bit that needed to be done. So we were shocked that nothing had been done yet that we were waiting on to be done. My son-in-law, you know, we waited a little bit more, still nothing was getting done. While I was over there, I ended up having to stay at my daughter and son-in-law's, and was staying there for several nights through the week. And then he goes, when he gets off work, and he goes over there and he's doing all this work, and with the help of a few people, actually I think it was his brother-in-law, and I think sometimes his sister, they would go over there and do some painting. My son-in-law was also doing some other work, but mostly they were just trying to get the painting done first. They said the painting had to be done first. They were still trying to get the painting done. I think my son-in-law did get the most of the electrical done. I think there were still a few things that need to be done. We couldn't even take a shower. There was no shower head. The shower head did get on there. And my husband got a shower curtain because he ended up staying there while I was staying somewhere else. To make matters worse, with my health, I guess of all the stress and everything and moving from here to there and there to here and just everything going on with me, and this has been going on for 6 months. My body went into a whirlwind. I'd already been in so much pain and been sick that I really got sick. I ended up in the hospital twice this week, and my body just couldn't take it no more. The hospital really didn't do much for me except for pretty much torture me. I don't know if you can see just some of the bruises on me here, trying to do an IV. And when they finally got the IV, that was they also did it over here, but this one's not as bad. When they finally got the IV over here, the nurse, and it wasn't an IV drip like I thought they were going to do, they got the needle and they just put the medicine and just shoved it in real quick. Well, it hurt so bad, I felt like my arm, like they were shoving nails or something in my veins, and it was burning so bad. And I told her, I said, oh, that you've got to stop that. I'd never felt anything like that. I've never had that happen before. Well, I've got tiny little veins, and they're not supposed to just shove medicine in that quick. You're supposed to do it real slow. I've never had them even do it that way. Usually they do it through a drip to me. And if they can't get an IV line, they usually would do a shot for me. But they did get the IV line. So that's what I thought they were going to do, was through a drip. Because I know if they usually shoot it through that like that without a drip, they could blow that vein. It will hurt me. So yeah, they were hurting me really bad. So they didn't give me any more medicine that way. They stopped. They were just going to tell me to go get some Tylenol and go home. Well, I'm not even supposed to have Tylenol. I can't take any of that stuff. So they weren't going to do anything for me. Then they came back and they decided they would give me a shot and then send me home. That was the second time I was there. The first time I was there, they gave me some kind of pill that first they told me what they were going to give me, then they changed their mind, didn't tell me they were changing it, and gave me something that I wasn't even supposed to have. So that kind of made me sick. And yeah, so I just kept getting worse and worse. I'm still in a great deal of pain. Not as bad as I have been, but I am hurting really bad. I've got to get with a rheumatologist because I don't know what's going on. I mean, I'm sure it's the lupus, fibro, neuropathy, one or all, something. Stress probably making it a lot worse than normal, flare up. But I've just had it. My body's just worn out. I'm tired. I'm ready to be, homebound. I'm tired of moving around. I'm exhausted. So, yeah, I've been in here at this hotel trying to get some rest. My husband works, and as of tomorrow morning, I'm supposed to check out and have no idea where I'm going yet. So I wanted to do just a short video to let y'all know what's going on with me and say I'm sorry I haven't done any videos. I can't wait till we can get in our apartment and settled so I can start making some videos, some crafting videos for y'all to show y'all the new place. I do have some pictures before and after of what the place looked like when we first looked at it, what the place is looking like now. I will show you. There's still, like I said, still work to be done. It's not complete, but I just want to show you these pictures that I've got so far and let y'all see what it's looking like. And I'll share that with you so you can watch these pictures here, and I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all just hang in there with me, and I can't wait. And I will be doing, like I said, a walkthrough and everything, and show y'all when we start moving stuff in. And yeah, I'll be glad. Y'all just keep your prayers for us, and for me, and for my whole family. My daughter and her husband, pray for them. And you know, just all of us, because it's really taken a toll on all of us. So yeah, we all need prayer right now. You know, my husband needs prayer. He's working all the time, and we don't even know how we're gonna really, we don't have the money, you know, so much to hire anybody to get us moved in. We've got to start from the ground up, getting food, you know, and everything that we need. So we don't even know how we're going to do all this yet. So it's been rough. And so yeah, just keep your prayers for us. And like I said, I miss doing videos for y'all, and I can't wait till I can get settled and make some crafting videos for y'all. And I will see y'all soon, and I thank y'all for watching. Please remember to give me a thumbs up, and you know, share my videos when you watch them, and just keep supporting my channel in any way you can. Would really help me out a lot. And I appreciate it so much for your support. And and if you're not a subscriber, if you would subscribe to my channel, and because that helps me out a lot too. And make sure you click that notification bell, and you'll be notified from YouTube when I do make a new video. At least I hope so, because I'm not even sure if that's even been working right, to be honest, because I think sometimes some people don't get notifications. So if you don't watch regularly, I'm not even sure if you get notified or not now. So I'm not sure what's been going on. But anyway, I tell people to make sure to do that. And if you watch, I guess you do get notified. But anyway, I just wanted to come on here and let y'all know. And you can enjoy the pictures. And y'all have a blessed day. And I'll see you again, hopefully again soon. Thanks for watching.